Chapter 4, Exercise 4.133. Estradiol is a sexual hormone that causes maturation and maintenance of the female reproductive system. Elemental analysis of estradiol gives the following mass percent composition: 79.37% of carbon, 8.88% of hydrogen, 11.75% of oxygen. We also have the molar mass. So those are mass percentages. However, we do not really have the mass of an estradiol sample. We have the molar mass. For convenience, you may assume we have 1 mole such molecules. And in 1 mole such molecules, we have 272.37 grams of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in total. And then we can just multiply this mass and the percentage to get the mass of carbon. And similarly, we can get the mass of hydrogen and oxygen. Finally, we convert the mass of carbon to the moles of carbon, and then do the same for hydrogen and oxygen. Eventually, we will know how many moles of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are in 1 mole estradiol. Let's just use this Wolfram Alpha to do the calculation. Again, I'm assuming that we have 1 mole estradiol. The mass is this much, this many grams. Now we'll just get the mass of carbon. Alright, that's the mass of carbon. 216.18 grams of carbon in 1 mole estradiol. And then we divide the mass of carbon by its molar mass, 12.01. Now we have 18 moles of carbon in 1 mole estradiol. Alright, so I think the formula is going to be carbon 18. Now get back to hydrogen, 8.88%. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008. This is a little strange that okay, we get 23.9945. It's very close to 24. Why it's not exactly 24? Well, because there's uncertainty here, and also this 1.008 is not really the exact molar mass of hydrogen. Alright, I think it's 1.0078 or 79. Anyway, this is very close to 24. Finally, oxygen. Alright, so we have the mass percentage of oxygen. Now this part is the mass of oxygen divided by the molar mass of oxygen. We get a number really close to 2. So I think it's just O2. Hyphen 2. Alright? And we'll submit. We can also double check, just 18 times 12.01 plus 24 times 1.008 plus 2 times 16, and see if we will be able to get the molar mass. Alright. We get 272.37 This is 272.37.